Our lovely patient, who's 44 years old, is 2 years out from her abdominoplasty and her mastopexy. She comes into the office today, and she has very graciously agreed to share some of her thoughts and feelings about why she went through this procedure and how it has changed her life.
Definitely, it has changed my life. For years, I struggled with body image issues after having twins and then a quick singleton pregnancy following. And the lower back issues and the lack of core muscles was a major factor in deciding. In addition, the drainless procedure option was a major influence to using and having care done by Dr. Cleater.
Thank you. You also had mentioned that you had some pelvic floor issues, and not that this operation is specifically designed to address those, but we had a very positive effect on those, and maybe you could talk about that a little bit.
Sure, that definitely affected my day-to-day functioning and quality of life, to be quite honest. And it was an unexpected result of the tummy tuck procedure that was just unexpected and very well received, that there was no pelvic floor issues. There was no leaking afterwards. Pretty immediately after the procedure, I was able to cough, laugh, sneeze, and run without having the leakage at all.
It's a tough thing to talk about. It's not something that comes up very often in public conversations, and many times, even in our private consultations, patients are a little bit awkward to bring it up. But your realization of this ahead of time, that this was something that was concerning to you, was not your primary reason for coming in to have this procedure, but it was a truly wonderful benefit.
Absolutely. And you're right, like women my age, I think a lot of us have this issue, and we do not talk about it because we don't think we should be having this issue in our 40s. But it is not a rare thing, and therefore just really welcomed after result of the tummy tuck for sure.
Well, thank you so very much for sharing your thoughts, and I'm so glad that you feel so great about your experience. Is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
Most definitely, and I have. Most definitely. The recovery is not as bad as I expected. Certainly having the drainless, like I mentioned, was a major factor in my decision, and it was honestly one of the best decisions.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you.